Hey guys, what's up? Barkut here. Welcome to this video, and into this video I'll be covering how you can set up a Google ad campaign for junk removal businesses. So if you are a junk removal business owner or you have junk removal clients and you are going to set up a Google ad campaign for junk removal business, this video is for you guys. So recently I onboarded a white label client who just works with the junk removal businesses, and we have several junk removal account right now. I mean active account right now. Around I believe nearly 16 to 17 ad accounts we manage under that MCZ account. Anyway, so from my real experience, what I know, I will share each and everything in this video. Just stick with this video and just watch the full video. So here you can see this is my MCZ account, and we are spending like around 90 grand in this MCZ account. So I do have two more MCZ accounts, for my clients, and under that two MCZ account we are spending like around 90 to 95 grand. So overall I can say we are spending like around 200k per month in Google Ads. That means we know something about the Googles, right? And just to let you know that I just work with local service based businesses. So before we start our setup part, let me explain a couple of things. So in this sheet you can see we have possible ad groups and descriptions, and here you can see possible ad groups with keywords. So in terms of ad groups in junk removal businesses, there are so many ad groups you can create, but it depends on the client's budget. Let's say your client says like only $50 to $60 budget, so I would say do not create lots of ad groups. I would say just create couple of like maybe 2 or 3 ad groups, which we do actually, because I know that junk removal business owners, they don't have much daily budget to spend on Google. That's why we do the same thing actually. We create and we pick couple of like good and like high intent keyword, and we just create like let's say 3 or 4 ad groups max, and we just run Google Ads for them, and we are converting like around 20 to 25% conversion rate in terms of landing pages, because we just run Google Ad only for mobile devices. In terms of possible ad groups, you can see like there are lots of keyword I just randomly picked. Again, this is not a finalized keyword research sheet, so I just did some research so that you can, you have a starting point and you can see what types of keyword we generally use. I will link this sheet on my video description so that you can have a look and you can just check the ad groups and descriptions. Trust me, like in junk removal, try to add the long tail. Short tail doesn't work for any industry. Try, and you can see like there is no keyword called just junk removal. You can see like we use like all types of long tail keyword, like junk. Instead of using junk removal or maybe junk hauling, we use junk hauling companies near me, junk hauling company in my area, or maybe junk removal company in my area, that kind of long tail keyword. So just to keep in mind that use long tail keyword always for any businesses you work with. It works absolutely fantastic. The problem using long tail keyword, search volume. So if you are facing that this keyword don't have enough search volume, so try to add like lots of keywords. Like instead of adding one long tail keyword, you can use like 10 or 15 long tail keywords so that you can like fuel your Google ad campaign. So I think you got the idea in terms of like ad group structures, in terms of ad copies and the keywords actually what we should use. So let's start with the setup part. So first and foremost, like log in your Google ad account, that, and click on the new campaign. Just click on the new campaign like plus icon, and you will see this kind of interface, shows your objective. So in terms of lead generation campaign, we use a lot like lead. Just click on the lead. And in terms of conversion tracking, I am not showing you on this video because I have lots of videos on my YouTube channels. If I just show you the recent 2 videos actually, and this is the one, lead from conversion tracking, and I will upload one more video maybe today or tomorrow, which contains like phone call submissions. If you want to learn both combinedly, like lead from submissions plus phone call, you can watch this video, like this one, how to set up Google Ad conversion with tracking, go high level setup, and it's around like 23 minutes video. If you watch that video, I believe you not have a single questions regarding the conversion tracking, because I explained enough how to track conversions like the lead from or maybe the phone call submissions, phone calls, recordings, something like that. I believe you got the point in terms of conversion tracking. So I am going to adding this right now, so just leave it as it is and just hit continue. And in terms of campaign type, we will use search. Every time we will use search, and here you can see like phone calls and website visits. So you can use the phone calls, but eventually you can't use what it called like the call only ad right now, because Google launched a new update, so you can't use the call only ad. So that's why I'm just clicking on the website visit. And in terms of website visit, I just grab the URL and just paste it here. And for now, just click on the continue. And campaign name, lead search junk removal test, for example, and just hit continue. And in terms of reading, you can use Maximus Conversion, Maximus Click, but I highly prefer when you start a new fresh campaign, you should use Maximus Clicks. And in terms of bid limit, so when you do the keyword research, you should at least have idea how much Google will charge you per click, like what's the CPC in that particular area. So you should have at least the idea. So for now, I'm just talking like, let's say, maybe $5 or something like that, because it's in the pound. I mean, this account contains the UK, detail. That's why you can see like pound, but let's say like £5 for now. And the maximum CPC should be £5. That means we are telling Google that we are not interested to spend more than £5 or maybe $5 per click. Like that means like if someone's click on our ad for like local junk removal services or maybe junk removal and cleaning services near me, something like that, I mean, we are not happy to pay to Google more than $5. That's how it explains, and click on the next. Of course, uncheck all of these things. And in terms of locations, if I just show you like ad bounce, and you can use city names or you can use radius. So for now, I'm just using radius. Let's say Dallas, Texas. For now, I'm 20 miles radius. That's fine. And just hit save and click on the location option. This is the most important thing. You should choose presence. Do not choose presence or interest. Of course, you should choose the presence one. And in terms of EU political ads, of course, no, we are not running any political ads, of course. And audience segments, I don't use a lot. Hit next. AI search max, of course, uncheck it, leave it as it is and just hit next. Click on the escape one here, and you will see in terms of keyword and the ad copy. So we have to paste the keyword here. Let's say we have this keyword. So let's say copy the keywords and we need to use it actually, right? So here's the thing. In terms of keyword match type here, broad match, phrase match, exact match. So when you paste anything like that, it's a broad match keyword, like the real keyword, or maybe like the like general keyword. If you use this kind of quoted or something like that, it's a phrase match. And if you use a bracket like this and like this, then it's exact match variant. So if you don't know like how it works, again, I do have a video on my channel, like I explain like how the keyword match type works. You can watch that video and at least you have idea how the match type works. So for now, I'm just copy all of the like Control X, and I will open a Chrome extensions. It's called keywordfix.io, and this is my tool which I recently created, and I will create here actually, like hit done. We will choose like phrase and exit match, and I just copy like phrase and exit and just copy all, and just you can see the keywords, right? Phrase and exit match variant, and we need to write the ad copy anyway. So if you need this tool, let me know, just comment below. Ad I launched recently on the Chrome stores. I will send the link if anyone need it. Just comment below. I will add this tool actually. This is a really good tool to add the search terms and in terms of like phrase and exit match, this kind of variations. Anyway, so let's start with the ad copy. So in terms of final URL, I believe this is our landing page. For example, I am just using this URL as a landing page, and in terms of display path, let's say this is for junk removal, right? So I just copy the ad group name and here junk removal, or maybe like junk removal nearby, something like that, what it makes sense. In terms of ad copy, we have 15 headline, I believe, and 4 descriptions, and there are like a couple of images, extension as well. So in terms of headlines, what do you need to do actually? You have to break down the headlines criteria. Like on the first positions, you have to use like location based or maybe keyword based, I would say. Let's say you are running ad for Austin, Texas, right? So you have to mention like junk removal businesses in Austin, Texas, or maybe junk removal company in Austin, Texas, that kind of things. And on the positions too, we have to mention like the offer. Let's say $20 or maybe 10% off when for the first load, something like that. Like you have to use the offer. On the third position, you have to use a clear offer, a CTA. Let's say if I just told a CTA, in terms of CTA, you can use like need a junk removal gone, you can call us, something like that. Or maybe get rid of junk first, book a junk pickup today, this kind of things. And these are the offer, and these are the best offer actually. So this you can use these kind of things on the positions 1. Let's say on the position 1, like positions 1, local junk removal services, and let me copy that one on the positions 2, and in terms of like this one, let's here. You have to follow this kind of serial or headlines writing structures. For all of these you have, 15 headlines. So 5 keyword focused, 5 offer based on value based, like why should people choose you, and 5 should be like CTA based. And in terms of description, same thing. Like if I just show you reliable junk removal services focused on eco-friendly, it's a really good descriptions I would use here. And probably I will like use this one here, the offer based, and I will do the same thing. Like let's say we go all the way like this one. I like that one, and I will pick one more. Let's see, we offer like this one. We offer fast and affordable junk removal services, better and senior 10% off. This is offer based. So see, we write this kind of ads. And in terms of image assets, business assets, like your business name, business logo, site links, these call out extensions, this all you have to add. But for now I'm just click on here, like hit next. In terms of daily budget, so it depends on you and your client. Probably if your clients wants to run Google ad only for $50, you have just like click here and just let's say 50, or maybe like let's say 20 for now, and you have to click on the next, and it will checking any errors. If this finds any errors, you have to solve that, or if it's not, then you can publish the campaign. I will show you like how to publish the campaign. So here you go. So you can see we successfully published a Google ad campaign for junk removal businesses, right? So the next step would be creating all the ad groups. So we just create only one ad group, so you have to create like several ad groups. Again, it depends on the budget. I explained enough before, but it depends on you as well, like how you break down the ad groups. So I am not showing you like how to create all of the ad groups. It's pretty easy. You can click on the plus icon and just create the ad groups. The same procedure like keyword and ad copy. That's it. Like keyword and ad copy and landing page. These 3 things actually you need to create an ad groups. And right now I am going to show you like how you can create the assets. So if you select the campaign first, and from the left hand side you can see the assets, and there are several assets. So typically we use couple of assets. Image assets we use, if I just click here and just click on here, you will see the image assets. You can add multiple images. Business name we use, if your account is verified, you can use the images, business names and business logo both. Site link, this is the most important assets we use a lot for all of our campaign. Click here and click on the site links. So site links contains like site link text, descriptions, one description line, the URL. Let's say like it will show like that, and in desktop if I just show you, it will show like that. Let's say I just show you like show our, let's say reviews, reviews, or maybe happy customers. And in descriptions one, let's say see our happy customers, and here let's say get 20% off today, something. And you have to use the URL. Like if I just show you like the URL, paste it here, and you can see like it will show like that. If I just show you the happy one, see happy customers like that. So you have to do that actually. So I am not saving right now anything. And finally we use call out extensions, like why should people choose you, like why you are different, like let's say if you have any offer like 20% offer, you can add it here. If I just click on plus icon and just show you like call out and see like 25 seconds, like 20% off today, something like that, or maybe honest pricing, or maybe honest quote, that kind of things. So I believe you got the point, like what I'm trying to make here. And final and important, like most important 2 extension is call. You can use the phone numbers of course, and also the location. That means you have to connect your Google My Business profile with this account, so that your account, your Google search campaign, it can show the Google My Business profile reviews. They can show the whole entity, so this is the most important thing. It's pretty easy. Just click on the plus icon and you will see like the step-by-step process how you can add it. So it's a one time. So if you add it just one time, it will show like forever in this account, so it's pretty easy. So I believe you got the point how you can make the Google ad campaign for a junk removal businesses. And in terms of optimizations, if you want me to record a optimization video, how we optimize the campaign after we set up the campaign, so I will do in-depth video on that as well. And if you have any question regarding the setup and how to do the keyword research, how to set up a Google ad campaign, do the conversion tracking, just ask me on the comment below. I will try to answer the comment as soon as possible. And thanks for watching this in-depth video. And if you have any questions, of course let me know. And if you need any support, for white label Google ad support, or maybe like one-to-one, or maybe any types of consulting, or maybe any types of coaching sessions for Google ad for local service-based businesses, I am happy to do that for you. Just message me. You can find all of the informations about me and how you can contact with me on my descriptions. Just check this. And again, thanks for watching this video. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channels and like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.